Hello, my dear friends. In our last class, we had seen what is alkyl group. We had seen it कि when from alkane one hydrogen atom is removed. In fact, when from alkane one hydrogen atom is removed, now it is alkyl group. And what is the formula of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. After the removal of one hydrogen, here what will be left? Instead of hydrogen 2n plus 2, it will be 2n plus 1. So, we are familiar with now alkyl group. Now, we have seen that in alkanes, the single covalent bonds are formed between the alkanes between carbon and carbon and hydrogen. Single covalent bonds are formed, but in alkene there will be one double covalent bond, only one and only one, between carbon and carbon. That is your alkene. And in alkyne, between two carbon atoms, any two carbon atoms, not between all the 3, 4, 5, 6, no, between any two carbon atoms, a triple covalent bond will be formed. We are aware of this. Now, today we will see about the functional group. What is functional group? Functional group, it may be defined as an atom. Mind this language. It may be an atom or group of atoms joined in a specific manner which is responsible for characteristic chemical properties. What it is saying, यार हमको भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो हम लोग कॉपी में पहले समझ ले क्या. सो व्हेन एल्केन से वन हाइड्रोजन हटाए, नाउ इट इज योर एल्काइल ग्रुप. फॉर एग्जांपल, वी हैड सीन इन बुक मीथेन. व्हेन वन हाइड्रोजन इज रिमूव्ड, इट इज नाउ मीथेन से मिथाइल, इथेन से इथाइल, प्रोपेन से प्रोपाइल. Now functional group, what it has said? It is an atom. It is an atom or group of atoms. If you see fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they are atoms. But here group of atoms means like OH, CHO, COOH, NH2. In fact, this NH2 is not in your book. Leave it. It is amino group. Anyway, if we are knowing, then no problem. जान लेंगे तो थोड़ी ना खराबी करेगा बाबू मैया. So they are the group of words. Now see, if one hydrogen is removed, like methyl or ethyl, so here is methyl, it is chloride. Ethyl, it is chlorine, means ethyl chloride. If OH is added, it is now CH3OH, means methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. If CHO is added in alkyl group, now it will be acetaldehyde. It will be propanaldehyde. Its name is propanaldehyde. Now if COOH is added in an alkyl group, तो हो जाएगा CH3, means methyl COOH. It is called acetic acid, or it is also called ethanoic acid. Why it is called ethanoic acid, we will see tomorrow or in our Zoom classes. In our Zoom class, I will come to this point, I'm sure. So this is your acetic acid. This is C2H5. It is ethyl alcohol, but if we add COOH, now it will be another substance. If it was like this C2H5OH, if it is C2H5OH, it was alcohol. Now if instead of OH, if we add COOH, now it will be acid. So this group, these atoms are these groups of atoms. When they are added to the alkyl group, they form different substances. This forms salt, this forms alcohol, this forms aldehyde groups, this forms alcohol. All are different. So वही कहता है कि the functional group, so these जो भी हमने कॉपी में देखा कि क्लोरीन, फ्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन या this OH or CHO or COOH, they are the group of atoms. When they are attached to alkyl group, they form the different substances with characteristic chemical properties. Now you should get the definition. Now, in alkane or alkyne. In alkane or alkyne, here this is double bond, triple bond. So in alkanes, all the bonds, earlier I have told you, all the bonds between the carbon, they are single covalent bond. They form single covalent bond. In alkene, there will be one and only one. There will be one double covalent bond, and in alkyne there will be a triple covalent bond. So alkanes, they don't have any functional group. If any alkene, if they don't have these group of atoms, this bond itself, it is a functional group. This bond itself is a functional group. How? We will see. This bond itself, it is a functional group. Then here are some examples. Halide, it is denoted by X. Halide means halogens, member of halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatite. Here R you see, R represents for alkyl group like CH3, C2H5 and so on, and X represents for fluorine or chlorine, ya bromine, iodine, anyone. So now R represents for alkyl group. So here types of organic compounds, it forms halo. Halo means addition of fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Halo. Alkanes means in addition in alkyl group. For example, अभी हम इस suffix के बारे में नहीं कुछ बोलेंगे. We will not talk anything about this suffix. So, if it is methyl, first example is your methyl chloride. Why methyl chloride? R is your alkyl if it is methyl, and then if it adds chlorine, it will be methyl chloride or chloromethane. Then hydroxyl, if OH is added, if COH is added, means that one will be now alcohol. So if it is CH3OH, it will be methyl alcohol, or we call it methanol, or we call it methanol, methyl alcohol or methanol. And aldehyde, if CHO is added in an alkyl group, it will be HCHO. It will be called methanol. ठीक है? Even we call it formaldehyde. Likewise, if COOH is added, it will be a acid. That acid will maybe CH3COOH, or next member will be C2H5OCOOH. It is called, आप बाबू लोग, you are knowing so far it is acetic acid, but we call ethanoic acid. We call it ethanoic acid. How we call it ethanoic acid, we will come to know after this, the rule of nomenclature. After here, we will come to know why this acetic acid is called ethanoic acid, why this CH3COOCH3 is called propanol dimethyl, or why methanol, why not methyl alcohol, why it is called methanol. After the complete idea of nomenclature, we will be able to give the names of the organic compounds. So, one is your keto group, or we call it ketone. If this CO is added, here are two R. Both represents for, one is your R, another one is R dash. Both represents for alkyl group. If you see here, it is CH3. This is for one R, and CH3. This is for another R, means R dash. Or here it may be CH3, here it may be C2H5, here may be C2H5, here may be CH3. Both may be same alkyl, may be different alkyl. It is called di. If it is propanone, see there are two examples, CH3COCH3, or it is called propanone. Or if it is C2H5, it is called diethyl, दो ethyl है, and ketone or propanol. If this is alkyl groups, अगर दो alkyl group के साथ some O is added, it will be ether group. कैसे इसका नाम होगा हम लोग जस्ट कुछ देर बाद में देखेंगे, नॉट कुछ देर बाद में, नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखेंगे. नाउ व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप? द फंक्शनल प्रॉपर्टीज मीन्स फंक्शनल प्रॉपर्टीज, आई मीन फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. The chemical properties of compounds containing the same functional group. Suppose it is OH. If it is methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol, or if it is chloride added, halogen is added, methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, propyl chloride, butyl chloride, they all will have the similar properties, similar chemical properties. Therefore, the compounds of the same functional group are identified by the same type of tests. Then, physical and chemical properties of compounds of different functional group are different. This is your alcohol, पीने का काम में आता है. This is carboxylic acid group, ये एसिड के ग्रुप में आता है. इथर बेहोश करने के काम में आता है. So they all have three different functions, and there exists a homologous series of compounds. we have studied what is homologous series. कि each series differ by CH2. If for example, if it is page number your 188 alcohol, you can see here we had seen it earlier कि each alcohol differ by CH2. So this forms a homologous series. So in any particular homologous series, they exist. A homologous series means each member vary with CH2. So there exists a homologous series of compounds containing a particular type of functional group. For example, it is alcohol. So in the organic compounds, the alkyl group determines mainly the physical properties, whereas the functional group is responsible for the determination of chemical properties. I think we leave it today here. We will see in the next class. See you, bye.